we're just gonna move down and check her mid-back. She does really good with this. Oh, and we already got a little movement out of that mid-back. The mid-back's another area, especially when we're looking at ear infections, is that causing extra tension in their neck? You know, at her age, she's crawling around, maybe even falling here and there. Mom says she has been, so we really want to check that area, and she's doing really good. We already just got a nice little movement out of that.